Let a little teaser again.
She suck it and she ride it off. She suck it and she ride it off.
Yeah. What she do to it? Easy in the bomb class self. Carbon in the bomb class self. Yeah, who knows the bomb class JNP with carbon in the bomb. What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. So back with another reaction for you guys. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be consistent on few channel at the same time. You do me I say. But that's why I'm gonna bring the reaction and go for the channel, but me I say no what? No. We're not gonna just don't post over here. So we can't just don't post for the reaction boss channel. Cause we post every day, you mad? Would I still post every day? But then I know a little cheese. Oh, yeah, me bro, Vybz Kartel and squash moonwalk in Calabasas. Hell no. It's called moonwalk. Official video. But you know, so when it comes to the Vybz Kartel video as of lately, the pause boss is in full effect. So I'm going to tell you guys something. If you want to watch the video without me pausing the video, give an I reaction, which is the reason why you click on the video. The link to the original video will be down below in the description of this video. Go pre it for yourself. I want you guys to go subscribe to my other channel. It's called Just Ty. Just Ty. Yes, that's my other channel. I do reactions over there. And I do a lot of shit over there. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers over there. I am like, let's see. I think I'm like 80 or less. I don't know yet. But from 1K, so let's go over there, go subscribe right now. Make them know, sorry, I should say that I'm here over there. Before you man, buckler. But to subscribe to the show, they say get me to 1,000 subscribers right now. Run it up. You did me I say we are posting over so let's see me. Yeah. Because see what goes on. Vybz Kartel, squash, moonwalk. Run tune. 6 real records. What? Tikiana. Let a little teaser again.
She suck it and she ride it off. She suck it and she ride it off.
Yeah. What she do to it? No. What she do to it? You not see me good? What she do to it? Go on.
She suck it and she ride it off. She suck it and she ride it off. Big cock in her mouth and her pussy fat up. Them gyal.
It's a slack song. Kids cover on the ears. Kids cover on the ears. Cover on the ears. Go on now, you go. It's a slack song. Go on.
I visit me all with me day at jail lock up. Say the boy and I used to smoke too much tobacco. Say him sick and black up. Yeah.
So why is she? But hold up, part. Your lyrics? She will see the call game in there jail. We're not going to come in that blood clot. But, so why she had the bush to record the body so I'm not see the body when she had to record the body because the bush hide it. Go on though, it's alright, I must see it.
So she linger. She ride on the long wood. Yeah, she take the pain.
Alright, baby. Love that. Bad girl. Big bumper. Pretty cute face. Have you fuck that? Ride it. Go on, girl, go on.
And every time when the stroke on, she call out my name. She don't want you back, motherfucker. Nah.
Every time when him stroke her, she call out the reaction boss name. She don't want back squash her cartel right now. She want Tyrekevlogs reaction boss. What you know about that? Just tell me what you know about that. Bumbuckler girl. Bad girl. Big bumper. Go on, girl, go on.
She don't want you back, motherfucker. Dog, I'm your sucker. Bad man, she love my cocky nice heart.
You see them female with them big body, I have a probably brother no in a dog. Every day I come and you to come eat my thighs, man. I make my bend up my head and I S and 10 and I look up and I look around and I try to analyze the body perfectly. And you get to a point where I get a nod now, man. You're too damn good. No squash list just say. Him something nice. I think I'm gonna say something. Yeah, sweet, I say sweet, brother, but go on. Watch her.
So me bring her to the studio and go vice her. She skin it up, my body touch spinal. She put it in her mouth of me and moon like a Michael.
She just walked me to it. I said, Tyre, look. She walked me to it and push it down in and touch her spinal cord. Hey, girl, I hold her body that, you know? I hold her body that, you know? Blood clot! Go on.
Ran out in her mouth, she like it title. Deep throat. I saw me push it up, me shoot it so she weak out. I see boy drop asleep.
Deep throat. So me push it and show it and she weak out. Hey, that's question. You're a bad blood clot, boy, no? But that girl I saw and that body there. Me so look at her in a slow motion. No, me not go ramp already. Oh, no, me go look at her in a slow motion. You all have vibes. That's all have vibes. People don't think about the video already. I want to think about the song. Drop the fine emoji them. I don't know chap already. Go on, Tyre. Look pan her, Tyre. Look.
So she sneak out. I call down her phone and I peep out. What she a do? She ride on pon the long.
It's about that time, blood clot. It's about that time. Go on. Come on, man. Show me something nice, man. And stop going. Don't treat me so. Show me something nice now. Come on, yes. You like those? Alright. Sketch your hands. Alright. Me must sketch you back again. Me just want to see if you have the potential. You have the potential. Me I come back. Run tune.
Want you back, motherfucker. Dog them your supper.
Supper, eh?
She don't want you back, motherfucker.
Dog them your supper. Say all man them a lose a girl. Like call me. She not gonna call me back, you know. Dog name me supper. You see you too, no dog name your supper if you lose one girl because she not gonna call you back. But go on, that different.
Dog them your supper. Hey. Bigger than a gal is ask your girl. 6 million ways to take your girl.
So I want to go back and look for that. But we can't do it now. I'm still not do it. I want to go back and look for that, but it's kind of blood clamor and them cold. People start get cold again, dog. You soon start bumbuckle bell snow up here again. Fuck. But go on.
More millionaire than Kamikan. More millionaire cause of the plan. Salt Spring make the money enough.
Turn your phone like this and look for her. Turn your phone like that and look for her. But it all look like it shift to blood clean, but that's why I bush I hide it. So you know what we're gonna do? Analyze the body. Yeah, me know. See, where you come from? So analyze in peace, no? Sure. Turn on the phone sideways. I like that video, you know why? No man not in it. No man not in it, blood cleat. Should have a couple more pum pum in the door, but it's alright. Go on.
Y'all saw your fuck for exhausting. She ride on pon the long wood. Yeah, she take the pain.
This video is hard to react to. This song don't do enough.
And every time when the stroke comes, she call out me name.
This song
you
does.
back, motherfucker. Dog them your supper. So show yak when she suck off me dick, it make me start moonwalk. Me get a girl.
Oh, well, I pass it. The second verse, cause that boy you're just like, alright. We don't want to hear that part, you know. Ready? Triple light button and forward. Come, we don't want to hear the second verse. We never hear that part. So go here, man. So now, when she suck off me dick, start moonwalk. That's rough. That stuff. Go on.
From Yasoga, New York, when she suck off me dick, it make me start moonwalk. Me get a girl from Lava in the Bronx.
The only way that possibly could have, if you think about it, we are man in a way for kumpum, you know, the way that could have possibly happened, that. Unless you just bust off and she still a beat it. And you try back when you push her off, you know, if you have busted in a style and a moonwalk, that's the only way I say that possibly a walk. No girl no bad so. Unless you just bust her. You know, some girl turn to her. They like it to them. Them a beat the John. You pop and them still a beat the John. Like, no, stop now. Me done bust already. And you still a beat the John. You're so wicked. So I flip up and I said, no, you're so wicked. That's the only way I can moonwalk. I don't know about you, but go on.
Pussy blessed like Bible, she up me like Psalms. She ride on pon the long hood, yeah she take the pain.
Sang
Are
done.
you back, motherfucker? Dog.
Moonwalk. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a boy Tyrekevlogs telling the people. Subscribe for more reactions. See him here. More lit videos. See him. Check out the truth I drink we do with my little Jamaican friend that late. Go and go pray. Go and go run it up. You see me I say? Run it up. Want 100,000 views on that video them, man. How you feel like? You do me? What it's been a boy Tyrek. Peace out.